Good morning, welcome to
Math for Kids number 164.
Math for Kids number 164. This movie is a live action movie to help you get some traction with fraction subtraction. Bah! Okay, here we go. So yesterday we talked about adding fractions. 1/4 plus 2/6, for example. What were the steps we looked at?
First simplify.
First simplify. Let's see if I can write them. We'll just have to remember that this is live action to help you get some traction with fraction subtraction. 1, simplify. Okay, so this is the same as 1/4 plus
1/3.
1/3. Okay, combine. Okay, so get a common denominator and combine them. And what do you get when you combine these? What do you get on the top?
You get 7 on the top.
Okay, you get 3 plus 4, because the common denominator is 12.
Yes.
Right, so this is going to be 3 multiplied by 3 over 3, multiplied by 4 over 4. So you get 3 plus 4 over 12, which is 7/12. Combine, add, and simplify. Okay, I don't know, I'm just kind of making those rules up. Can 7/12 be simplified?
Nope.
Okay. So the same rules apply exactly for subtraction of fractions. 1/2 minus 1/3.
Well,
what do you do here?
nothing can be simplified here.
Nothing can be simplified. Okay.
So you get the common denominator, which is 6. 3/6 minus 2/6.
Okay. So we would multiply by 3 over 3. Remember the funny versions of 1? So this is 3/6 minus 2/6. So 3 minus 2 over 6.
Which is 1/6.
Which is 1/6. Can that be simplified? No. So there's our answer. Okay. Now let's move on to some slightly different ones. 10/12 minus 4/6.
Well, 10/12 can be simplified as 5/6
5/6.
minus, we can leave this unsimplified because we just have a common denominator.
Ah, very good observation. Sometimes you want to break the rules. You could simplify 4/6 to be what?
To be 2/3.
You could simplify it to be 2/3, but you may as well leave it as 4/6. Why?
Because 10/12 is 5/6.
10/12 is 5/6. So 5/6 minus 4/6, we already know how to do that because they have a common denominator.
Yeah.
5/6 minus 4/6 is just
6.
1/6. Okay.
Yay.
How about that? Okay, so that's good. That was a great observation. Sometimes you don't have to follow the rules exactly because there's a little shortcut. Here it turned out there was a little shortcut. Okay, so let's do, how about 12/13 minus 1/7?
Ooh. Well, nothing
Ooh.
can be simplified here.
Nothing can be simplified here.
So the top is
What's our common denominator?
91.
13 times 7, which is 91. So I'm going to write a 91 here.
And 12 times 7 is 70 plus is 84.
Okay, so I get an 84.
Minus 13.
I get 84 minus 13 over 91 because when I multiply this by 7 over 7, I get 84 over 91. And when I have multiply this by 13 over 13, I get minus 1391. So I get, this simplifies to be 84 minus 13 over 91. And 84 minus 13 is?
84 minus 13 is 71.
71. So I get 71 over 91. And now I have to check, can 71 over 91 be simplified?
Well, 71 is indivisible. Well, 91 is 13 times 7.
Okay, 91 is 13 times 7, and both 13 and 7 are prime numbers. So we only have to check if 71 is divisible by 13 or 7.
Well, it's not.
It's not divisible by 7 because 7 goes into what number?
70.
7 goes into 70. And it's not divisible by 13 because what number does 13 go into?
78.
78. Okay, not 71. Okay, very good. Very good. Let's do 2 more. How about 11 twelfths? This is actually kind of a neat one. 11 twelfths minus 10 11ths. 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 11 twelfth
Well,
Whoa. Okay. What's our common denominator?
it's 12 times 11, which is 12 times 11 is 133. No? Is it 120 plus 132?
Okay. Why do we know that 12 times 11 cannot be 133?
Because 12 times 10 is 120. And
There's this really, really easy reason. 12 times 11 cannot be 133. If I told you 12 times 11 was 133, you would know like that that was wrong. Why?
because, well, even numbers cannot multiply to be odd numbers.
Right. 12 is even. So anything times 12 is going to be an even number. So if you think 133, which is odd, it would be pretty odd if 12 times 11 was 133, right? That would be odd. But it's not. 12 times 11 is?
It's 132.
132. And what do I get when I multiply this by 11 over 11? 11 times 11 is?
Is 121.
121. Minus 12 times 10, which is?
12 times 10 is 120.
Okay, you get it right. And okay, now put your thinking cap on. 121 minus 120 is?
132.
121 minus 120 is 1, so you get 1 over 132.
Whoa, that's really small.
Yeah, that is really small. Okay, last one. 2/3 minus 4/10.
4/10 can simplify to be, well, it's 2/3 minus 2/5.
2/3 minus 2/5, okay.
Now the common denominator is 15. On the screen though.
Okay, hopefully you are. Common denominator is 15.
So
back
5
up a little.
times 2 is 10.
So you get 10.
3 times 2 is 6.
10 minus 6 over 15, which is, back up.
Which is 4/15.
4 over 15. Okay, now can this be simplified?
No,
Why not?
because 4 is even and 3 and 5 are odd. Well,
No.
but 3 and 5 are prime.
3 and 5 are prime. It's not that they're odd, it's that they're prime. And none of them have any common factors with 4. Okay?
Yep.
Okay? Because if this was 6 over 15, you would have 2 odd numbers on the bottom, 3 times 5, and that would simplify, right? It's not even and odd. It's that they're prime and they don't have any common divisor. So 4/15 does not simplify. So 2/3 minus 2/5 is 4/15. Okay?
Yep.
Very good. High five. Good job on your subtraction. Live action. Help you get traction with fraction subtraction. Wow.